Hey, it's Thursday, which means it's our Thursday Q&A question of the week. My name is Emmanuel Osisera, your online personal trainer and wellness coach. And today's question asks, what are some of the most healthy habits? Great question. And so 3 healthy habits that you can pick up is 1, drinking more water each day. And drinking water is something that's going to help you feel better. It's going to help to hydrate you. It's going to help with your digestion as well. And it's something that's easily forgotten along our fitness journey. The second thing I would say is eating in portion size control. When you eat, you want to make sure that you're eating in a way where you're eating to the point where you're not just full and stuffed, but satisfied. And this is probably the hardest habit to make, but at the same time, once you develop it, you'll start to eat more off of less calories, ultimately losing weight and feeling better. The third habit I would say is something that's general for any habit that you do, and that is to start off small. And with starting off small, you want to make sure that you're not too ambitious, you're not too overly motivated, because it's really easy to bite off more than you can chew and then get discouraged 2 weeks later. So in the description box down below, I went ahead and posted the links to the videos of these 3 habits in which I further elaborate on them. So I hope that helps. As usual, I had a blast making this video for you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, tap the subscribe button. Good luck on your fitness journey, and let's do this again sometime.